Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Alison.
Hello.
And we are back to bring you a brand new As Seen on TV launch. This is the Rainy Day Delights Die and Stamp Set. A little bit of a treat for you, and this is a super cute little set.
If you're a fan of our stamp club,
oh yeah,
this is what you need to be looking at.
Let's have a look at what we've got then. So start with the dies.
Look at these dies. They are just adorable. But look how jam-packed that is.
Oh, it is. There's no room left on this die set at all.
So, we have the big umbrella where you add your handle to, but we've got 3 different patterns here. So we have this pattern that fits in the middle, so you can use that with the stripes. We have another pattern that fits, hang on, turn it the right way, Alison, a spotty pattern that fits there, and we also have a floral pattern that fits there. So you mix and match the umbrella, or you have it all stripes, entirely up to you. Then we have 3 different size Wellingtons. The soles are separate, the tops are separate. But you've also got
a layer as well, haven't you? So.
You have. You've got 2 different patterns again.
Mm-hmm.
So for the big welly, you have stripes, or you have the trellis pattern. The medium welly, you have spots. Oh, we've got a 3rd one for the big welly.
Got a floral.
We've got a lovely floral.
Nice.
That is gorgeous. We've got 3 patterns for the large, 2 for the other 2. We have spots and stars for the medium, hearts and zigzags for the small Wellington. And then we've added in quirky little bits. So you have these extra soles and tops. You can make them into hunter wellies.
Yeah, you've got the buckles and straps, and you've got them in 3 sizes as well, so they are appropriately proportioned for the specific welly boot. And bows as well, I think.
Bows in different sizes.
3 different size bows.
Hearts, raindrops.
Flowers.
Different size flowers, stars, a little bit of grass. Because we're also thinking of gardening here, aren't we? Because we've got the watering can. But we've also got a little die cut that says our family. And what better way to show this with our family than Karen's frame. So she's gone, ooh, we've got a little bit of movement there. So we go, ooh,
there we go.
Big wellies for daddy, medium wellies for mummy. Then we've got small wellies for son and daughter. But this could go on and on. For your extended family. What about a birthday frame where everybody's birthday is written underneath?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I love it.
Very, very cute.
So let's pop that back. On top of that, we have another flower. We've got some flower stalks that you can add to these different flowers.
And I like that they're all on one.
They are.
Die
Let me
as
show
well.
you this. Ooh, let's bring them off. So you've got all one die. We try and make things so they're less easy to lose. Because we are very aware of that. Again, speaking from experience, I can't remember where these came from now.
That one went up that way.
I think that one might have gone there.
There we go. It's like a jigsaw.
It is.
So yeah, your buckles and straps are on the same die, so you don't lose those.
Exactly.
We've tried to put the smaller things, your 3 raindrops again, are all on one die. So smaller things we've tried to put on the same die for you.
You've got a sunflower centre as well. This little round flower. Perfect for putting your crystal drops on.
Oh yes, it is. We do also have stamps to go with this as well. If I bring these in, hopefully you can see those. There we go.
There we are. So loads of wording for this, and it's appropriate for everything. Life is better in the garden. It won't be long before, we've had our Mother's Day in the UK, but it won't be long before it's Mother's Day in the US and in the rest of the world. And also Father's Day is not that far away either. So we have some floral images. Queen of the garden, son, friend, mother. No rain, no flowers. How true.
Very true.
Daughter, father, sister, brother. Two-way special, so you can add extra little sentiments. I think you're welly amazing. I love a pun. When life gives you a rainy day, play in the puddles. Why not?
Yeah.
And then we've got a special, get well, sorry you're feeling under the weather. Because again, this is so appropriate.
It really is.
And our little tuft of grass.
Cute.
So I think that's a lovely set, not just for a lovely set of stamps, not just for this set, but in general.
Oh, that's definitely one I think you're going to come back to. With all of the family in there, it's definitely a stamp set you're going to reach for again and again and again.
Again, talking about your scrapbooking, your memory books. These names are going to come into that, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely.
And you've got them all in one set. So, should we show you a couple?
Oh, we
should. A couple of ideas from our design team.
So this one, this is beautiful. So this is from Christine, and she has made a lovely get well card here. Sorry you're feeling under the weather. I think she has used the raindrop die to make herself a stencil.
Yeah.
That she has then inked in the background of this, and then added on a couple of raindrop jewels as well. But I love that. It's a beautiful card. And I think that would really cheer you up if you were feeling a little bit under the weather.
Oh, absolutely. Oh.
And you lost the die.
Oh, can't be doing that, can I? I don't know where that's come from.
Somewhere.
I'll just pop it in. I'll just pop it in. The other thing I wanted to say about the raindrops, didn't say it about these. Oh. There's your raindrops all on one die. This will cut into your cardstock.
Yes.
And this is how Christine's made the stencil. Or you cut them out and stick them on.
Yep. I'm sure we've got an example of that somewhere. We'll show
so you have two. Ooh. Dear me. What on earth is going on? There now. Let's pop them back in.
So we have another amazing card here. This one is from Vicky. So life is better in the garden. I think you are welly amazing.
I love that.
So cute. Proper, hunter wellies there.
Yes.
Lovely.
But also a beautiful decoration.
Yes. Very, very, very pretty. What a lovely card. Thank you very much for that, Vicky.
You don't have to use the whole of the image. Christina's used half the umbrella here. And again to a special mother.
That's it.
Very simple card, but very pretty.
Absolutely beautiful. And the thing I like about crafting cards for people is you can choose the colours that are right for your mother. So
yes.
Probably we wouldn't give you a card with purple on it. We'd pick a different
Possibly
card.
not. Possibly not. This may be more mine.
Yeah. That's definitely
more blues.
I mean, you're not a special brother, but yeah.
Not yet, anyway. But look at that card for your brother. That would put a smile on his face any time of the day. To think your brother's amazing as well.
Well, I mean, we don't go around saying that.
No, we don't say it enough, do we?
No, we don't say it at all.
Well, if I had a brother, I may. Would I not?
No, you wouldn't.
Okay. Love the colours in this one, though. Beautiful blue with the black. Lovely contrast.
Yeah.
Stunning. And this is from Victoria.
I think I've got another one of Vicky's here. I have. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at this little guy. To his special son. And the duck is from...
Oh my lord, this is a very old die. This was from our baby range. I think they may have come back in goodie bags and things.
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
Super cute. It looks like he's just sailing away on a little umbrella boat. Love it. Very cute.
I'd love to be there.
Well, we might be at this rate, honestly.
You never know. This is one from Christine, and she's decorated a gift bag. I'm not sure you can see the whole of the effect there. So she's popped a little bit of ribbon on the top and just decorated the one side of the gift bag. Because that's all you need, really,
it is.
Isn't it? But use the wellies and just a little bit, this side, of imagery with the flowers as well.
And if you were giving someone a gift, say it was their birthday, you could do a coordinating bag.
Yes, you
You could do a tag on there as well. You could do a card, you know, make a nice little matching set.
What if you put a plant pot in there? You could decorate the plant pot, couldn't you?
You could.
Mm.
You could indeed.
I am loving that. I think you are welly amazing. Oh, the other thing, going back to this one, I'll lay it down. She split the sentiment as well.
Yes.
Rather than have one long sentiment, she split it to fit a smaller rectangle.
Masking techniques.
Exactly.
I'm sure we've done that in a Tonic tutorial video.
I think
Stamping.
you have.
I think we did a stamping
I think you have.
video at one point.
But sometimes we don't think of that, do
No.
we? And obviously the background as well. She's created all that with a couple of stamps, a little bit of splattering, a little bit of distressing around the edges. Gorgeous.
Very, very nice. I've run out. You've got
Have
them
you
all on
run
your
out?
side. Yeah.
There we are, then you can have one.
Thank you. I like this one too. So this one again is from Vicky. So she has done a, can I read this? No rain, no flowers on the front. And then inside she's used a twist and pop. Oh dear, there we go. And it's a Queen of the Garden. You've got that lovely watering can and a welly boot and to a special mother. And then it says on the bottom, sorry you're feeling under the weather.
Oh.
Very cute. I love that.
And this is the raindrops cut out and stuck on.
Yes. Yes, you can see those on the umbrella here. Very nice.
So you get two effects. What about a door hanger? This is from Christine. Rain, rain, go away. Come again
another day.
Oh, I don't think she's got that. Oh, yes, she has. Come again another day. I didn't think she wanted it to come back then.
I mean, you do have to have some rain in the garden or you're just not going to get
Yeah,
anything to grow.
that's true. That is true.
It is still important.
Yes.
This would be lovely if you have someone who is a bit of a gardener in your life.
Yes.
Something for them to hang in the greenhouse or in
Yes.
the shed.
You could put a little tag on it with mum's shed, dad's shed, grandpa, grandma.
Exactly.
Anybody.
My shed.
Yes. The man shed.
Yeah, she cave.
Yeah, that's the one. And the last one I've got here is a little frame. This is from Vicky as well. And this is one of our frames that was released a couple of months ago. And I've forgotten the name.
Go Cam go. Nope.
But
No.
this could be a photograph in the centre,
It
couldn't
could.
it? What about a lovely Father's Day gift with the grandchildren in the middle? That was my go-to gift, was to put James in the centre for James to give to my parents.
Frame maker.
The
Frame maker.
I
How
mean,
did we not
obviously-
remember that?
Obviously, it's the frame maker.
And obviously you've got that depth then.
I mean, that means that you could tuck a gift card into it or something like that. Too.
Yes,
you could
you
make it a
could.
gift.
Or it could be a 3D floral display in there.
Yeah, could be.
Could even pop a little bit of florist foam and make it a real floral display. That would be good as well,
Really
wouldn't it?
pretty. Yeah, very nice. So again, it's a 2D set, but don't just think of it as 2D.
I've forgotten this one.
Oh yeah, I mean, talking of 3D. This was Karen being an overachiever.
So if I turn it around, she's popped a little cactus inside. It isn't a real one, mind.
No.
It is a joking one. But what a lovely gift. Stunning, isn't it?
Really, really lovely.
And I want to bring this one in.
Oh, go on then.
Look at that. I mean, we've talked about quite masculine cards today, but how girly is that? With your flowers added into it. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. This is Vicky as well.
Yeah.
Stunning.
Really lovely. Amazing samples from everyone on the design team.
Oh, they're gorgeous. So
I
if
think
we
you can
haven't
tell
shown
when
yours-
they really love something
Yes.
because you get inundated with samples.
Yes, we do. We do. And we haven't got time to show them all.
Unfortunately
I'm really
not, no.
sorry.
If you didn't catch Jodie with these on TV, it should still be available. Yes, it should still be available on Create and Crafts. You can go back onto their website and have a look at Jodie. She'll have been showing some of these, showing more of the samples. demonstrating them, putting them together as well. So definitely go back and have a look at that if you haven't already. But this is now available from us directly, so through the Tonic Studios website, which of course means if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you can have your TCK code, your 10% discount off this.
Grab a bargain.
Absolutely, chuck it in your basket. If you've put a couple too many things in your basket, you can also pay in installments using ShopPay, ClearPay and PayPal. Those are all available for you. Pick whichever one works best for you at checkout. If you've enjoyed this, give us a little thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
So you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so you don't miss out. The most important thing though, tag us in your mix. We would love to see what you do with this set. Where's your mind going? Are you thinking cards? Do you have a specific scrapbook page you want to make? Have you had like a really fun day out in rainy weather recently?
Even if it's a day jumping in puddles. You know, there's nothing more playful, more enjoyable for children than jumping in puddles.
Exactly. I can think of one very recent trip to Folly Farm where it just rained all day, and you know what, we just embraced it and we enjoyed the fact that we were soaked through and whatever. So yeah, that's definitely one for me, I think.
I think so too.
Thank you so much for joining us. I hope to see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!